In this tutorial, you will learn how to purchase shopping vouchers for making purchases at Ultima Store. Shopping vouchers are packages that provide shopping points, which can be exchanged for official store vouchers on our Ultima Store platform. Each shopping point is worth €1, and every voucher contains 20% more points than its cost. For instance, if you buy a voucher worth €100, you will receive 120 points. These 120 shopping points are equivalent to €120, allowing you to shop at Ultima Store for that amount. Log into your personal account on the Ultima Cashback website. You'll be taken to the dashboard. Scroll down the page and you'll find the available shopping vouchers. Please note that vouchers are only available if your license has been activated. The maximum shopping voucher available to you depends on your license's shopping limit. The value of this indicator is displayed on the corresponding widget in the dashboard. Select the voucher and click the Purchase button. You will be redirected to the payment page. Please note that shopping vouchers can only be purchased using Ultima tokens. Follow the instructions on the screen to complete the payment. Once the payment is made, the shopping points will be automatically credited to your balance, allowing you to make purchases at Ultima Store by logging into your Platinum Passport account. Please note that shopping vouchers can only be purchased after acquiring a license. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to our support team.